Hello and welcome. In today's video, we built our teacher a custom keyboard. Now, you may be wondering, why did you guys build her a custom keyboard? Well, first off, we love her. Also, she's a teacher, she uses her keyboard a lot. And lastly, we just know how to do that. Why? I don't know. Anywho, in today's video, you get to see if our teacher actually enjoyed her custom keyboard or if she just thought it was some weird autistic hobby. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Anywho, please enjoy the video.
Guys, so, today, we are buying these things for our teacher. Why are we buying them? We're gonna build her a custom keyboard. There's also, this keycap set. Look at it. It's awesome. It's freaking goated.
So, in this clip, we're disassembling the keyboard and getting it ready to be modified.
Taking a bite from this sports whip.
These are stabilizers. Focus. Focus.
Line it up.
And I forgot a crucial step.
You look like Legos. You know, like the translucent black Legos pieces?
From what? What's that?
I'm just saying something.
And now we're taking the keyboard apart. So basically, our first mod is the tape mod. You just add tape into the keyboard and it sounds better.
Yeah, so now we're just trying to get this out. It's not
torn apart. There it is.
Oh my god, you got it out. Yeah,
And now we're assembling it all back together.
Keyboard's pathetic.
So now that we figured out the stabilizer issue, we're just gonna use the stock stabilizers because the Duroc ones don't fit, and we're gonna put in all these switches that we have. Yeah. So see you when it's built. Okay. Well, here's Jay's keyboard because we had to reference it for the keycaps. Here's the old switches, by the way, and we figured out how to put the Duroc stab. It doesn't sound much different, but are we gonna typing test?
Oh, yeah.
So here we are, the typing test. And I'm sorry for the out of focus camera.
Alright.
What? That's nice. Now,
Cut to Cassie J's Baron's reaction. But before we can do that, first, we have to add the new keycaps. I promise you, one last time lapse, because it's a lot of keycaps and a lot of pulling.
and we're done. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. I like this. Jay doesn't. And this came out weird. Whatever. But nobody uses these keys anyway.
That's my profile.
And it sounds low-key kind of better. I don't know what I did to the stabilizers. I was struggling with these yesterday, but look at it. It looks like an old Macintosh somehow. I like it.
Nice. It was very nice.
Alright, now typing test.
But now, the big reveal. How does our teacher feel about all this? JB, you have no idea how happy.
You know how I was asking
Whoa.
those questions about keyboards?
Saturday night, it was like 12 hours. I was like, it's no way I should even. Once Jay didn't get an answer that the I am.
It's for me?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. When's your birthday?
Later, early birthday.
What? Is this like to break it to me that y'all are not gonna write IAs with me?
Yeah.
Keyboard,
Where
by
did
the
you
way.
get this?
We built it.
You built it?
Yeah.
Web.
On the web.
Also, you can change the elevation with the like feet back here, and
Thank
then
you.
this is the cable.
So you can use it here.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
React for the camera. Hold it up.
Surveilled. This is so cool. Thank you, Jay. Who else was involved in this? Nice.
And our investors might be Corbin and
Thanks
Jameson.
for everybody.
I was
This
there
is
for
so
support.
cool. Okay, all right, I'm gonna do it. It's like, oh my god! Wow.
Filled with dread, but
How does
it was fun. It was fun because
You
I
wanna take a
because I was
spin?
procrastinating the bibliography.
Ooh, so
You heard what's on my
satisfying.
Yeah.
This is
Does it have Edwin? Does it have LEDs?
It fits your theme so
It does.
well.
What does this do?
Oh yeah.
That's everyone's response.
What's the knob?
What does the knob do, Jay?
Sign what?
It should be volume,
I mean, yours
and then you can press it down.
What's this petition?
Hold on, you
Oh, it is. It is.
Here it is.
Hell yeah, it's
Oh.
like you in the DJ booth.
I need this one.
Now we can listen to Ho Chi Minh by
Yes,
Peru Baby.
exactly. Peru, baby. That one is pretty rough.
Did you have this all today? Did I just not
Oh,
notice it?
you missed this.
Okay, good.
No, it was an event. No, Jay and Edwin built this.
Oh, is this what they're?
what
Oh,
the
this
camera
is why they brought it, or at the TOK exhibition. It's cute.
Isn't that cool?
I'm
Like,
investing
$20 into it. I was supposed to build it, but I was gone.
so you,
I was
so
down
you,
here.
instead
Yeah.
of your service, you bought their love.
You chose creamy instead of
my
cookie.
$20
for me,
of
not
my
them.
love
Yeah.
is going to them.
I like it.
All right, take it for a spin.
That's what
And even
Oh, I'm really bad at
Website
typing.
called Monkey Type.
That's
Just go to
so
Monkey Type, and
weird.
That's really good.
Oh, I apologize. Oh, this is a nice sound. Oh my. That's
Stop
like
it, Justin.
that's like a whole bunch of just back cracks.
Maybe.
Function
Wait,
arrow too.
what are the dates? Is that like when the buttons were like?
I actually
You can check your legs.
I'm epileptic. Don't do that. No, I'm kidding.
How do I change schizo mode off, guys? Oh, okay.
Press it down.
Ooh, no, that's nice. That's nice.
Okay. I don't really.
Have you taken off a keycap yet?
No.
Purple.
Wow, I'm gonna keep this forever. I'm gonna bury it with me.
After that shift, if you're curious, it's just 3 lines down.
This
Oh.
class of 2027 is the best.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you guys have way outdone them. Like already.
And now,
Cool. I like that.
Letters of recommendation.
for its maiden voyage,
Wonder Woman.
We decided to do some crosswords.
Wonder Woman headgear.
So-
Headgear.
She typed away
Not
on her keyboard on the New York Times crossword. And so did Jameson.
What's the next alphabet?
And
19.
okay,
then
we also played this game, which doesn't actually use the keyboard.
Deficit and
but-
absence or
Canon.
I think Cannon
Yeah.
goes Jolly Roger.
It's a thought that counts.
together.
And then plank, the plank.
I just made her not participate.
All right, JB. One last thing, just for the video. Do you have any words?
Oh, this has a nice weight on it, actually. Words of thank you for my. This is by far one of the best gifts I've ever gotten.
Thank you, JB.
Thank you. No, I'm really so obsessed.
And with that, we know that she liked her keyboard. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see a video where we build our teacher a computer, click here.